Good morning, guys. Day 6 of the COVID-19 lockdown. I'm here with my Myvi, and I figured what a day for me to maybe get the seats out. It's now just after 1, waiting for the Prime Minister's announcement. And I figured while I have some time, I'm going to go ahead and remove the seats, the carpets, and get them all clean, because you know how the small cockroaches are in the car? They stick to the carpets, and I figured if I take everything out, do a nice detailing job, I'll get a much more refreshed car. So yeah, let's go and do this. So in the car, I'll show you how I open the nuts here. So for the back, for the bottom seats here, there are 2 nuts, bolt comes out and the whole thing comes out. For the top bit here, if you open the flap here, you can see there are 2 nuts there, and you get your socket wrench, and you can easily you can easily sorry, this is a bit tight. You see, the hell, little rust I think there. Yeah, comes out pretty easily. Now if you're wondering why I'm doing this again, if you want to look and see very carefully, you might be able to find small little cockroach eggs. All cars have them to a different degree. If you use the car, then it's fine. Don't use the car, they get more. Let's see this. Here we are. Yeah. So these are the cockroach eggs. So the only way to get rid of them, I know they say you can do demisting and nano mist and all that stuff, but nothing is like a proper removal, cleaning, spray down with brick set, and then having them reinstalled. The last time I did this for this car, I think it was like, I don't know, 5-6 years ago. This once, but even then I didn't remove the seats. I just removed the bottom one. This time around, I figured after 13 years, maybe I could do this. Is it 13 years? 2 6 14 years. Yeah, this car is 40 years old. if you're really frantic about your car being clean, this is probably the cleanest way to get your interior done. Apa clean the car, Harish?
This car is very big.
Yes, Harish?
Big. How this car can view it? You want to see?
And that's the carpet of a Myvi 206 first gen. Oh my, it's a mess. Oh shit, look at that, look at that.
Oh shoot.
All these are cockroach.
Oh shoot.
Oh shoot.
Oh shoot, do what?
Shoot.
Oh shoot. What I'm saying.
If you ever wonder where does the cockroach in the car come from, look at that, all those are cockroach eggs. Disgusting. If you go inside here, you see, look at that, even the small cranny over there. And this is a 14-year-old car. Oh my god. Well, better late than never, I guess. The hell is this? Couldn't finish all the work I want to do, so this is pretty much where I got to on day one. Tomorrow I'll continue on, and I think I'm going to do some maybe scrubbing and cleaning, maybe look on the plastic bits, and hopefully I'm actually thinking of getting dynamite or soundproof material, so that since the carpet is off, why not go the extra mile. So till then, stay driven. Cheers.